Hello, today we will guide you through how to flatten a PDF in PDF XChange Editor. To begin, open PDF XChange Editor on your computer. Once the program is running, make sure your PDF is open and visible in the main workspace. In this example, we'll be working with a sample form so you can clearly see how flattening works. Flattening a PDF means taking editable comments or markup elements, like text boxes, and making them part of the document itself. This is especially useful when you want to preserve the appearance of annotations and prevent them from being easily changed later. At the top of the window, click on the Comment tab. This section contains the tools used for annotations, markups, and review items. If you're not already familiar with it, this is where you can add things like notes, highlights, and text boxes to your PDF. Next, click on Text Box. This tool lets you place a block of text directly onto the document as a comment object. After selecting it, move your cursor into the sample form area and draw a text box where you want it to appear. This step helps demonstrate what happens to an annotation before and after flattening. If needed, take a moment to position it neatly so it's easy to recognize on the page. Once the text box has been added to the form, go back up to the top and click on Comment again. We're returning to the same tab because the flattening option is located there. This is the feature that converts comment-based items into static content on the PDF page. Now click on Flatten. When you choose this option, PDF XChange Editor will prepare to merge the comment or annotation into the document. In other words, the text box will no longer behave like a movable or editable comment layer. Instead, it becomes part of the page content itself. This can be helpful when sharing finalized PDFs with others or when submitting forms and making sure your added text stays in place. A confirmation window may appear at this point. Simply click OK to continue. Once you do, the flattening process will be applied. After that, your PDF will have the text box flattened into the document. A good tip here is to save a copy of the original PDF before flattening, especially if you think you may need to edit those annotations later. Flattening is great for final versions, but it reduces flexibility for future changes. And that's it. You've successfully flattened a PDF in PDF XChange Editor.